This product was voted as Warrior Plus Product of the Day, and it is easy to see why. Check out my review video.
Affiliate marketing and home business. Many of us dream of being our own bosses. The lure of big money and flexible work hours is quite attractive. However, many are afraid to venture out on their own. They fear that they do not have the capital required to get a business started, or they don't want to lose the security of their day job. The solution could be starting a home business. The truth of the matter is that you can start your home business with no money at all. Ask yourself this: do you have a spare room or space in your house? Do you have a computer with an internet connection? Do you have a phone line? If you have these three things, you have the essentials of an office from which your home business can be made. Affiliate marketing can be a great way for you to get started in your home business. Affiliate marketing will provide you with the opportunity to sell either a product or a service. With low capital and little space, you may want to concentrate on services. Once you have made the decision, you need to evaluate your skills. What services can you offer as your home business grows? If you're tired of your job and really want to work for yourself, then stop making excuses and do it. Though affiliate marketing programs and selling services, you will find that having your home business is easier than you think. All it takes is time and a commitment to succeed. By taking advantage of the affiliate marketing programs that are currently available, you can make money and improve your own marketing skills. Remember, you can always expand into other areas and venture out totally on your own later. Right now, get marketing and get clicking.
To get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.